Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get free 100% save $150 Apache Airflow 3 fundamental certification beginner to pro by Astronomer. So there is a 100% free Apache Airflow 3 fundamental certification is there. So exam format details is there. Total for the exam you will get a 75 multiple choice question. Duration is 60 minutes and passing score will be the 70%. So out of 75 question you have to get correct questions 53. Cost is $150 USD. Save it here for free. Language is English and discount coupon will be this one. So in this video, we'll learn everything you need to prepare for the Apache Airflow 3 fundamental certification from exam structure of the workflow. This will be guide you to step-by-step process for your confidence. So what you will learn. So Airflow 3 basic and architecture, DAGs, operations, task and scheduling and other things are there. Tips and tricks to get a 70% plus more, so you don't miss the chance to save 150. Upskill, one of the most of the in-demand workflow management tools, perfect for beginner, data engineers, DevOps, everyone prepare for the Airflow 3 fundamental exam. Registration will be, link will be this one. So let me open this. So this is the registration page. Let me get the coupon also. So this is the wow coupon. So certification exam Apache Airflow 3 fundamentals and other things are there. Just click on the purchase. All the details will be there. You can go step by step process. What the exam topics will be there. So these are the topics. Exam details is there. So once enroll the exam, you have to 30 days to complete it, and after 30 days, exam expire must be purchased again. Okay. So $150 and getting there is a certification exam will be there. So click on the purchase. So let me sign up with my Google account. So this is the page. Here I'll put the coupon and click on apply. So there is a total is $0. So this is applied on the this one, and now just click on the purchase. So certification Apache fundamental, and this is the you can start lesson in this module. So click on start. So all the details will be there. So play all the modules and complete all the modules from there. And you exam and budget details will be this will cover
Hi
this.
and welcome in the certificate again. If you did that, you want Astronomer.io. I wish you a wonderful exam. See you for your bad. Hi and welcome in the.
Okay. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free and save $150 Apache Workflow 3 fundamental certification. This is the step-by-step process I have shown to you. And for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please share with your friends so they can get certified and help them to certified with the this certification course. So please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.